If you've been following the news lately, there's one fledgling tech company that you've probably heard of, Bluesky. It's the social media platform that millions of users of X, formerly known as Twitter, are leaving for in the exodus. It's made headlines for weeks and has become a real competitor to the social media giants of Meta and X Corp. But what is it? What's with the hype? And why should you switch today? For years, Twitter was the town square of the internet. Founded in March of 2006, the platform was so well known and widely used that it became a verb. People would tweet on Twitter just like they Google something on Google. By the start of 2019, Twitter had more than 330 million monthly active users. The platform was enormous, and it was a fact of life in politics, pop culture, and just everyday discussion. Its 280 character limit introduced the concept of microblogging, the idea of short posts meant to be sent several times a day about whatever thoughts or experiences might come to you in the moment. It gave everyone a platform and a place to say their piece. But things started to change in 2022 when billionaire Elon Musk acquired Twitter in October of that year for $440 billion. In the months following that acquisition, the platform underwent dramatic changes, including mass layoffs, controversial policy shifts, and the rebranding to X in July 2023. Users began to seek alternatives, and that's where our main character comes into play. Way back in 2019, then Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey announced the creation of a new research project within Twitter to investigate the decentralization of social media. The project was called Bluesky, a manifestation of a bright, open space for the future of social media, one where the underlying technology and data behind a platform belongs not to one company, but is open, accessible, and customizable to anyone, anywhere. In 2021, the project went independent. It became a separate entity known as Bluesky Social and named Jay Graber, a developer and entrepreneur in the world of decentralized technology, its new CEO in 2021. In 2022, Bluesky became a public benefit corporation, prioritizing impact over profits. And in February of 2023, the company launched its invite-only beta of its social media app, the one making headlines today. And here's what makes it interesting. Everything centers around AT protocol. That stands for Authenticated Transfer Protocol, and it's also a play on words on the @ sign that precedes every modern social media handle. Think about email, the fundamental mode of communication on the internet. Anyone using any service, Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo, for example, can send an email to anyone else using any other service. That's because emails are standardized through protocols, just like every type of data on the internet. The AT protocol, or AT Proto for short, is a protocol for social media data. Accounts, posts, medias, likes, comments, everything is standardized. And because AT Proto is open source, that is, its code is available for everyone to see, use, and build upon, social media built on top of the protocol becomes infinitely customizable and open. Developers can build whatever they want on top of it, however they want, and users can switch between platforms as they choose, bringing their data with them. It solves the problem of X, a company that stands alone as an essential product, one with hundreds of millions of users, but one whose data are inaccessible the moment one tries to leave. Bluesky Social, the app, is built on AT Proto by Bluesky PB LLC, the company, as a demonstration of what AT Proto might look like as a microblogging platform, as a descendant of Twitter. But because it's open, because it's infinitely customizable, because its algorithms and feeds are user managed, because it's run by a small team of 20 people, and because it doesn't have ads, it's become a real competitor and alternative to X. Following the 2024 election and the massive amounts of misinformation and harassment by far-right users on X, Bluesky has been growing enormously, for a time at 1 million users per day. It's become a refuge and a reminder of what Twitter once was, a town square for public conversation. And I think you should join. Join a community that truly values free speech while properly moderating the things that don't belong anywhere on the internet. Join a community with energy and with optimism about the future of social media. Join a platform that is open source without ads and AI algorithms designed to suck you in. Give it a try, and maybe you'll find the bluer skies built on open protocols. Thank you.